Hi everyone. I want to show you how to wholesale order on qualityabaya.com. We deliver products from Dubai to all countries of the world. Delivery cost depends on your quantity. The more products you order together, the lower the delivery cost for each product. For example, if you order 10 pieces abaya, then the cost per piece is $2. If you order 20 pieces, then the cost of each product is $1.5. If you order 50 pieces, then the cost of each product is $1. Also, you can order in the currency of your choice.
See how to order more abayas at Together. You must order a minimum of 8 pieces per design. Details are given above.
Click on the product you want to order. 3. Select the variation, size, color, fabric. Enter your quantity and click Add to Cart bottom. Add each size and color in this way. Four, come back and choose another product. Select as before.
The more products you order at Together, the lower the delivery cost. Remember to order a minimum of 8 pieces per design. Check after adding everything to the cart. When all the products have been added, click on Checkout bottom. Enter your full name, address, country, state, city, zip code, email, phone number. Enter the account username and password carefully, you will need it later. Select your shipping option and select your payment method. You can see the delivery cost if you give the location. Click on Terms and Conditions box and click on Place Order bottom. After that, complete your payment. Thank you. You have successfully completed your order at qualityabaya.com. Products will be delivered within 10 to 15 days of order completion. Click here to track your order. You will receive the order number in your email. Enter the order number and email address and click on the Track button. Have a nice day. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching the video.